Right now, we're seeing an unusual sentiment score of minus 0.19 regarding inflation, with momentum flat at 0. This is significant, because it indicates a notable shift in public perception, especially since sentiment on inflation tends to fluctuate with market conditions. With 20 semantic clusters providing rich context, you can drill down into specific sentiments driving this negativity. Imagine integrating this data into your financial models, tracking how public sentiment correlates with actual inflation rates. By leveraging our API, you could optimize your risk management strategies in real time. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.